Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 11th day of March 2026. And here we go again. The setup is as follows. The buyers have made a nice little push up, have failed, and we look for our favorite indicator, which is our strong candle indicator right over here. So it's saying, pointing down, saying we should take this trade short towards the bottom of the screen. And that's what we're going to do. So we put a cover order on. If this retraces back a little bit, and then we move it to the body of the candle. If not, we get picked up here, and we'll just go. So we look at the PVI. The market has slowed down considerably. It was around 200, 220 ticks, but now it's dropped down to 132. So I expect the next candle to be around 130 ticks in length. So we'll pair our ATM to that. And we'll go for 20s, 50s, and 100s. Those have been with us for a while. You understand that ATM. We de-risk the trade after 20, and then we try and get our 50 and 100 tick runners. And this is how it all went down live in the live trading room today. Now, this is, yeah, it did come up twice. We were able to get it off the body of the candle. Didn't pick up all of our contracts. There it did. Okay. So now first thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs, the last major failure point. Wait for the market to come down, hit our 21 tick target. We will de-risk the trade to minus 18, bring our stop down to minus 18, and then we'll let it run to see if it gets to our larger targets. There we go. Boom. See how our stop came all the way down now? We're in a break-even position. No matter what happens, I can't lose any money at this point. And then we just sit and wait. Now I can speed it up a bit, although it was pretty active already. If it comes back and tries to take me out, I can decide whether I want to reorder or not. So we were 2 times 20, so that's 40 ticks. Our 50 tick target's out. That's 90 ticks. That's 450 US dollars already made. And now we're going to wait and see if we can get our 100 tick target down below. Should go pretty well. Our strong candle indicator is it's just amazing. No one else has that. Only Samurai Day Trading. So come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com and come join us. It's not that hard. You don't have to be a math expert. Oh, there we go. 100 ticks is out. That took a little more than 4 minutes to complete, and that trade was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in a little more than 4 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.